Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll guide you through how to split screen in CapCut. So, if you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive right in. First up, start up by opening the CapCut on your mobile device. Once the CapCut is open, tap on the New Project. Next, select the videos you wish to show on a single screen. Then, tap on the Add button, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the videos are imported to the project, select the second video. Then, swipe the menu bar at bottom of the screen. From the options, select Overlay. After that, tap and hold the video track and then adjust it to the second video track. Next, select the video track and tap on Blend option from the menu. In Blend, decrease the opacity of the video to see both videos' position. Now select the videos and adjust it to the correct position. Once you adjust the videos, select the Overlay video track. Next, swipe the menu bar to right, and from the options, select Mask. In Mask, select the horizontal. Now, adjust the mask position and feather on the canvas. Once you're done, tap on the Apply button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to split screen in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.